Hello, my dear friends. Very good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss some important points of trigonometry. Trigonometry is a term derived from three words: trigoniometron. Tri means three, gonio means angles, metron means measurement. So trigonometry means three angles measurement. This topic was developed by the mathematician Hipparchus. So, who is the father of trigonometry? Hipparchus. Okay. Trigonometry depends on right angle triangle. First one, see this right angle triangle. Here, this is theta and this is 90 degrees. So, in a right angle triangle where L shape is there, it corner indicates 90 degrees. So, this is 90 degrees. So, the side opposite to 90 degrees here, BC, called as hypotenuse. The side opposite to theta is called as opposite side AB. Remaining side AC called as adjacent side. So depends on the moving of theta, we can think about the sides of opposite side and adjacent side. But the one is fixed. What is fixed? The side opposite to 90 degrees is always hypotenuse. So here BC is the hypotenuse. Suppose the theta lies at B. Suppose the theta lies at B. Here theta is there. Then what is the opposite side? AC. AC is the AC. Here AC is the opposite side. AC. What is here A angle 90 means what is hypotenuse? Again BC is the hypotenuse and AB is the adjacent side. Okay. So depends on the moving of the theta, you can decide the opposite side. Understand? In first diagram, theta lies at C means opposite side AB. Hypotenuse BC. So adjacent side AC. In second diagram, theta lies at B. So opposite side AC. Hypotenuse BC. Adjacent side AC. So next one, come to the trigonometric ratios. So depends on moving of theta, we can write 6 trigonometric ratios. First one, sin theta. Okay, opposite side to theta by H means hypotenuse. Cos theta, adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Tan theta, opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. It's a reciprocal. Think about the reciprocal. Reciprocal means just reversing the ratio. For example, come here, cot theta. Adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. This is quite reciprocal to tan theta. So tan theta here observe opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. What is cot theta? Adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. Just it's a reverse called as reciprocal. Similarly, secant theta, hypo by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta. Observe cos theta. What is cos theta? Adjacent side to theta by hypo. Its reciprocal is secant theta. So hypo by adjacent side. Similarly, cosecant theta, hypo by opposite side. It means hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. This is reciprocal of sin theta. Okay. So here tan theta opposite, right here cot theta, because for understanding purpose. Tan theta opposite side to theta by adjacent side theta. But cot theta adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. Similarly, reciprocal of cos theta, secant theta. Reciprocal of sin theta, cosecant theta. Reciprocal means reversing the ratio. Next one. Trigonometric, next one depends on these formulas. You can create so many formulas here. Sin theta by cos theta. Once you see all the formulas, you do sin theta by cos theta. What is sin theta? Opposite side to theta by hypo. By what is cos theta? Adjacent side to theta by hypo. H you can cancel. What is left remaining? Remains left opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. It is tan theta. So sin theta by cos theta equals to tan theta. Similarly, cos theta by sin theta equals to cot theta. 1 by cos theta equals to secant theta. 1 by secant theta equals to cos theta. 1 by tan theta equals to cot theta and 1 by cot theta equals to tan theta. 1 by sin theta equals to cosecant theta and 1 by cosecant theta equal to sin theta. These all formulas will come if you do depends on all trigonometric ratios. If you do sin theta by cos theta, what is the result you get? Apply the name, then you will get tan theta. If you do cos theta by sin theta, then you will get adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta. Its name here you can see as cot theta. So depends on this only you will get all these formulas. No need to by heart this. Okay. Next one, come to the trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. What are the trigonometric identities? Identity means generally the results which gives 0 or 1 called as identities. But in trigonometry, the values which gives 1 called as trigonometric identities. First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. First trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. From this sin square theta is equals to opposite value equal to opposite, what is there? 1. 1 should be lies at the same place. Remaining values comes to its side. So sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Second trigonometric identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. From that, secant square theta equals to 1 minus tan square theta goes to next side plus tan square theta. Here tan square theta, if you want to write, no need to change this 1 plus tan square theta to next side. Just write here, left here tan square theta, just leave here tan square theta. Remaining secant square theta plus 1 goes to next side minus 1. So tan square theta equals to secant square theta minus 1. Third trigonometric identity, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. From this, cosecant square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta equals to cosecant square theta minus 1. Last one, this is also important. Sin of a plus b equals to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Similarly, you can write sin of a minus b. Just instead of plus, just write minus, you will get sin of a minus b. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Second one, what is cos a plus b? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Instead of plus, you can write minus, then you will get answer cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So up to here enough for 10th class students. Okay, so many trigonometric formulas are there, but up to here these are enough for 10th class students. One value table is there. Tomorrow we can discuss how to complete the value table, but see all the formulas completely. Depends on theta place, you can write opposite sides and adjacent sides. These are the Pythagoras statements, very very important. Hypotenuse square equals to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. From this, adjacent side square equals to hypo square minus opposite side square. Opposite side square equals to hypotenuse square minus adjacent side square. So these are the trigonometric ratios. 6 trigonometric ratios are there. Depend on these 6 trigonometric ratios, you can create so many formulas like this. And next one, trigonometric, okay, identities are there, trigonometric identities. These two also very very important. Please try to learn correctly, very very useful. These two formulas, sin of a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Cos of a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. Yours, Bharat sir. Thank you.